Good day everyone. We're Group 1 and we're about to report about footwork, which is one of the basic badminton skills. So what is footwork? So badminton, like other sports, is an activity that requires physical actions at a certain level of skill and ability where players compete under a set of rules. So just like any other sports, ang badminton, they have specific set of rules to follow. So whereas it is necessary to learn the basics of badminton in order to properly play the game. Nonetheless, understanding how the game is played is most essential. Alright, so your footwork can bring more success to your game if you learn the basics of moving on the court and practice them. Your ready position should include standing in the center of the court if you are playing singles, and bending your knees with your body relaxed and waiting for play, just like this. As I mentioned, just like this. So this is the ready position. So move your feet by shuffling them or gliding from left to right and stepping or lunging forward. To move backward, go fast enough that you get behind the shuttle to hit it hard enough. So just to demonstrate a little. So when you're moving left to right, say this is your position. So say this is your ready position. If you wanted to go left or say right or left, it says here you need to glide. So gliding means something like this. Goes there. The shuttlecock. So, and then if you want to go or move backward, go fast enough so you can get behind the shuttlecock. So say, if the shuttlecock is going here na, at tunasin mo, so you need to like slightly go backwards, fast enough para bago siya. So feet shuffling, when we say feet shuffling, it's the exchange of your feet. Magaling sa tuo kag sa walo. So good footwork enables a player to reach the shuttle in the fastest and shortest time possible, but in a more graceful and effortless manner. Because basically, if nalakat kita, may basic footwork mo. Kung nagabasket kita, may basic footwork. But if you're playing badminton, they also have a set of rules to follow when it comes to footwork. So knowing how to do or how to practice properly the footwork enables you to be fast enough and nga malabot mo ang shuttlecock. Mastery.
Mastery of proper footwork will benefit you as a player athlete. Service straight by reducing unnecessary steps. Provide sufficient action time for the next incoming shot. Increase your speed.
Okay, so technically, going back, so it means if you know how to do the proper footwork, it allows you to conserve your energy. Hindi ka dasigapuon, kiti ka balo ka mag-tikam sa insakto nga hindi ka pa masyado haguon at the end of the game. And then, provide sufficient reaction time for the next incoming shot. So, normally, if you have the proper footwork, gari akit ang lawas sa mara ng shuttlecock. Knowing nga kabalo ka sa footwork mo, kabalo ka kung dito naon mo nga itikang, mas efficient ang imo nga dalagan, ang effort mo nga magkuha sang shuttlecock. And then increases your speed. So, as I mentioned earlier, if ang footwork mo maayo, madasig ka, mag-retrieve sang shuttlecock, kabalo ka kung diin mo una itikang para at least time efficient ang yatawag ang speed mo ngayon.
3 points to following order to improve badminton footwork. First, position of the court. Always return to base after hitting the shuttle. By doing so, you will have sufficient time to react to the next incoming shuttle.
So, having said that earlier, ang base sa badminton court, dili na siya sa center. So, kung ara ka, nagahay mo ka sang stance mo, or if you're like doing the footwork, normally, kung magkadagiri ang shuttlecock, naga-return gina sila sa base. So, this is the base.
Second, maintain stable posture and balance. By placing more of your body weight on your stronger leg and make it your anchoring foot to the ground. Keep the other foot nimble so you can stretch and reach the shuttle wherever it goes.
So, ang both silingon sina, like, kung walis ka or tuo ka, syempre ang weight mo nga, ang bugat sa lawas mo, dito mo siya ibutang. Kung say, for example, kung walis ka, dito mo siyang itang sa wala. Kagagi mo nga right, do supporting lang siya. Actually, doon mo na ang guaya. And then, when we say nimble, normally, kung gas-smash kita, may arak na matingdok na, smash ka. If you have a good footwork, kabalo ka mag-balance, o galing mo nga, once na magsaka ka sa babaw ka maglumpat ka, pag abot mo sa dalom, stable ka man yapon.
You will find it easy to return to neutral position without losing your balance and expending too much energy by doing so. Number 3. Be light and nimble and learn how to jump. Being light and nimble and learn how to jump. Being light and nimble on your feet can increase your speed. Adding bounce to your footwork will enable you to respond faster to an oncoming shuttle, particularly the high shots. While jumps are especially useful for smashes, as this will give you a good angle for attack and retrieving high shots. Hence, without proper footwork, powerful and skillful badminton, strokes and smashes will be useless.
So here are the other tips for proper footwork. Always remember the base, starting point.
Move only, two step, to 3 backward.
Shuffle.
Shuttle,
Shuffle.
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 Shuffle on the
shuffle,
Shuffle only.
shuffle only, 1 step forward.
Move only.
Move to,
Move only.
move only,
2 to 3 steps.
to 3 to step.
Okay. So these are the like mga tips lang for proper footwork aside sa ginpangambal namon kang gina. So move only 2 to 3 steps backward. So when we say diba kay naka-proper stance ka mo na. So kung like say for example na sa back row nagtanto ang di syempre kung namin mo footwork 2 to 3 steps lang. 1, 2, 3 amo lang yun siya. Hindi na sila basta nasa nakapalikod. Also sa shuffle only 1 step forward. So just take 1 step at a time. Move only 2 to 3 steps front. So as I mentioned earlier, depende kung di ka on direction sang shuttlecock. So say for example, kung ala siya sa front, limit mo ang time, limit mo ang imong footwork into 2 to 3 steps going forward lang. Para at least dasi ka kung mahit mo ang shuttlecock, dasi ka makabalik sa base, tapos ara ka na sa stance mo. So that's it. We're group 1 and my name is Shine Benser.
My name is Jericho Baritis.
My name is Jan Manuel.
And we're done recording. Thank you for
Thank you.